In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Outlook inbox. By the end, you'll know practical ways to reduce clutter, reclaim storage, and keep your email running smoothly. First, open Outlook. You can use the web version in your browser or the Outlook app on your computer. Once you're in, start with the quickest win, emptying folders you no longer need. Right-click a folder you want to clear. Common candidates are deleted items or junk email, and choose empty. This permanently removes everything inside. So take a quick scan first to make sure nothing important is lingering there. If you find yourself repeating that cleanup, consider automating it. Outlook can empty certain folders automatically when you exit the app. Look for the option to empty deleted items on exit and turn it on. It's a simple safety net that prevents old trash from piling up without you thinking about it. Next, reduce the noise inside active conversations. In the desktop app, the Cleanup Conversation button on the ribbon can remove redundant messages in a thread, keeping only the most complete version. This is safe to use because Outlook preserves the latest message that contains the full history. It's a great way to trim lengthy back and forths without losing context. If your mailbox is nearing its limit, move older, less needed emails into a separate Outlook data file known as a .txt. This file lives on your computer, not on the server, which frees up space in your main mailbox. Create or open a .pst, then drag older mail or entire folders into it. Keep it organized, store it somewhere you back up, and remember its location so you can access those messages later. Big attachments can be space hogs, so search or filter by size to find oversized messages. In the search bar, try filters like has attachments or size thresholds. When you spot large items you don't need, delete them. If you want to keep an attachment but not the email, save the file locally first, then remove the message to recover space. Finally, use Outlook's storage view to target what matters most. Go to Settings, then Accounts, then Storage. You'll see a breakdown of what's consuming space and shortcuts to empty specific folders right from there. It's a clear, centralized view that helps you make the biggest impact quickly. Repeat these habits regularly. Empty unneeded folders, clean up conversations, archive older mail to a .pst, remove large attachments you don't need, and review storage. With a few consistent routines, your Outlook inbox stays lean, fast, and easy to manage.